Hi, today we are going to be treating the molar mass of a compound. Okay, and here we are being asked to calculate the relative molecular mass of limestone, and we have been given an expo. That is to show you that limestone, this compound for this formula for limestone. All right, limestone is calcium trioxocarbonate, 6. So this is formula of limestone, and we are being given another expo again. So we're having fun, we're having a few days. So the formula may mean we're also given the molar mass of each of these elements that make up this compound. That is, calcium is 40, carbon is 12, and oxygen is 16. That makes our work very easy. And in order to calculate the relative molecular mass, this is it. You add up the masses of the constituent elements that make up the compound. Okay, that is, you add up the masses of calcium, carbon, and oxygen. But in this case, you can see that oxygen will have 3 atoms of oxygen. You have to multiply by 16. Let's solve so that you'll be able to understand better. So the relative molecular mass of calcium trioxocarbonate is equal to, calcium is what? The mass number of calcium is 40, as we can see here, plus 12, right? The mass number of carbon is 12, plus the mass number of oxygen is 16, as you can see here. But then we have 3 atoms of oxygen here. So we say 16 times 3, right? So we have 40 plus 12 plus 16 times 3 is 48. Then we sum up everything together. 12 plus 48 is 60. 60 plus 40 is 100. So the relative molecular mass is 100 grams. The relative molecular mass of calcium trioxocarbonate is 100 grams. I believe I've been able to explain it to you in the way you'll be able to understand easily. And I believe that if I give you another compound to calculate for the relative molecular mass, provided that all these things are being provided, I'll be able to solve it easily. Right? If this video is helpful to you, kindly help me to subscribe. Also help me share. Bye.